channel. So today there is a difference, like I won't be doing my own makeup. I have my student and she's my model as well for today. Okay, so tell me something about
Hey guys, I'm Rakshita. I'm South Indian and I'm from Bangalore and I'm a college student. I'm super excited to have my first ever makeover.
So we have a house party also, Rakshita.
Yes, we do.
Yeah, we do. We have a house party here for New Year 2021. I know everybody's not very excited. Yeah, Rakshita, because of that Corona thing. We are welcoming 2021
Yes.
with open heart. Not everybody enthusiastic for the new year, but yeah, we are, because whatever happens, life goes on.
We have to have some hope.
We will do the makeover and we will show you everything how I do it on a dusky skin, and she has some favorite makeup look.
Yes,
She has to tell me.
I always wanted to have a smoky look.
Smoky look, okay, smoky eyes. Okay.
Smoky eyes.
But she was wondering if she can
It suits my dusky skin or not look.
smoky eye look or not, but I assured her that I will do it, and just you have to be confident, and smoky eye is something that you can carry with any kind of dress, any occasion, that suits for every occasion. Okay, so Rakshita, are you excited for smoky eye look?
Yes, of course I am.
Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, I will clean up her face with Garnier cleansing water to remove any dirt or makeup from her face. Now I'll be using Biotic Bio Cucumber Toner. It will hydrate her skin. Now I'm using Biotic Morning Nectar Moisturizer. This is good for every skin type. I'm pampering her and she is really feeling good because she's going to get her makeover today. Now I'm applying Miss Rose primer to prepare a canvas. Now I'm applying a orange corrector to hide the discoloration on her face. Taking the brown shade from the palette, as usual I will start the makeup with eyebrows first, filling in the top portion of my brow, then the lower portion. And using spoolie to dust off the extra product. Priming my eyelid with the help of concealer. Now I'm going to blend it and softly set this up with a compact powder. Now I'm using light brown shade for my transition color and blending on the outer corner and then going inwards. I'm blending properly. I'm trying to make a beautiful transition. Now I'm using Maybelline gel eyeliner. You should always take the gel eyeliner with the help of spatula. Now I'm blending the same with black eyeshadow. You always have to give downward strokes in this. Now I'm blending with the same brown shade again. Smoothing out the lines by blending more and more on the edges so that there is no harsh line left. I always tell you that blending is the key, and in smoky eye it's very important to blend and only blend. You have to blend for almost 5 to 6 minutes because it will only look beautiful if it's blended properly. I'm blending with my fluffy brush. All the brushes I'm using is from Crown. I will put every product links into my description box below. You can check it out. Now I'm applying false eyelashes. To give the eye look more definition, I'm applying highlighter on my brow bone. Now I'm applying liquid eyeliner. I always prefer a liquid eyeliner for smooth application. Now I'm blending everything, the liner and the shadow together. Applying mascara for the final touch. Now I'm cleaning up the area below the lower lash line with the help of concealer. I'm cleaning the fallouts with cleanser first, and then I will apply concealer here as well below the lower lash line. Now I'm doing my base with foundation brush of Crown only. have to apply the base on lips as well, on ears as well, on neck as well. You should never avoid your neck. Now I'm setting up the foundation with loose powder. Smudging the same brown hue on my lower lash line to give the look more definition. And little bit black eyeshadow as well with my eyeliner brush. Now I'm highlighting the tear duct area. Now it's time for contouring, so I'm using L'Oreal Contour. This comes with highlighter as well. Applying on the nose area. Whatever you do, you have to blend everything. So I'm blending this properly. Now I'm highlighting the high points of her face. Now I'm using blush on from Sugar Cosmetics. When you are applying blush on, you should smile like her. Now I'm outlining her lips and asked her to apply the lipstick on her own. So here is the final look, guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you really enjoyed watching this video, you can like, subscribe and share with your friends. Wishing you a very happy new year to you and your family. Stay tuned.